Edition. As the name suggests, this award recognizes meaningful contribution built through consistency, determination, and self-driven commitment. True Value Addition is about creating impact through steady effort and the willingness to continue contributing with focus and intent. It reflects a mindset of responsibility and ownership where action goes beyond routine and support progress in a tangible way. This category acknowledges contributions that have supported the company's growth over the year, not through noise or visibility, but through reliability and purposeful action. Talking about this individual, I guess the live stream is on of our event, I guess, right? Sasta. Yeah, that's it.
So everybody can watch from
Yeah, my parents, everyone is watching. They're really excited about it. I've been watching since morning.
Our CCO has put that link on the status. Everybody can watch.
Oh my God. Winner for this award as chosen by the committee members. If I may talk about this individual, it all has been a complete journey, end to end. Starting from day calls, evening, night, anything. But then this individual has actually pushed me a lot. Kept asking questions. Learned from each mistakes and went through. It was a great sense of mentorship during the initial stages when I had to interact with this individual. I feel privileged to announce another winner for the same category. None other than, and the award goes to, any guess? Again. No. Yeah. No. Could be anything. Could be. Okay. So, to announce the award, the second award for this category goes to none other than I forgot the name, so sorry. Oh my God. No, but then I would like to highlight consistent results, month on month, even not month, week by week, closing such positions which even I raised my hands on. I couldn't do it. But this individual kept delivering, though with certain failures, but yes, kept on going. I feel privileged to announce the award goes to none other than Suchita Singh. I may invite Sarah Patel to please receive the award on her behalf. Suchita, many congratulations. Suchita. Hello. Suchita, would you like to speak some?
Suchita, before this award goes to you, I wanted you to listen. I wanted your family to listen again. This is another extremely happy example that I've got. Guys, look at the sacrifice, look at the commitment, look at the grit, look at the determination. This girl was a professional before marriage. She got married, she left all her profession behind, and she was full-time homemaker. It's a full-time job, guys, to be a homemaker, right? Because You are with the family, you are blessed with the baby, you got to take care of the baby and everything, right? She spends good 10 years with the baby to make sure that she gives a right upbringing, and then she decides one fine day that I want to bounce back again and I want to really achieve a better height in my better heights in my life, in my professional life. And this girl comes to me and I said, listen, Suchita, you can do it. But you know what? I don't know whether you are rusted or not. I don't know whether you have it in you or not at this point in time. Because imagine 10 years when you are not playing cricket and suddenly you are asked to play cricket, even you are going to get bored, even if you are a Virat Kohli, right? Because it requires a lot of practice, a lot of form, right? So I wasn't too sure. But this girl gave me one thing, was commitment. She said, I will do everything that's possible. I will manage my family, I'll manage my little one, I'll manage my in-laws, I'll do everything and yet provide you the results. All I need is one chance. And I said, listen, I'm giving you the chance with the hope that you make me proud. Guys, it's an absolute honor to have such individual as a part of the team. Imagine, we work 9 to 7. By the time it is 7 o'clock, we are totally exhausted, right? And we are done. Such individuals actually have another role to play once they go back home. So she's phenomenal. Suchita, I want to tell you once again, please congratulate your family on behalf of MBS, because I think you and your family have really done us proud. I'm hoping that you get same or rather exceptional success in 2026 and beyond. So congratulations, Suchita, on behalf of all of us. We are missing you. I know how hard you tried. You and I were connected till yesterday. Guys, one more thing. She was so keen to attend the event. I know Saurav and all said that it's difficult, but she constantly was behind me that I somehow want to come and attend the event. And we were all, I never informed my wife as well that boss Suchita and I are connected. She was thinking to an extent to drive from Delhi to attend this event, and I said, listen, it's okay. We'll get more avenues, we'll get more platforms, and someday you will definitely come here and we'll have a good time. So Suchita, this one is for you. We are missing you, but hoping to see you very soon.
Thank you so much, Kapil. I am also missing to be there, but I enjoyed everything since morning. We all were sitting in front of the TV, and the show was amazing, fabulous. And I know that I missed the bigger thing, but yes, thank you for making the part of it and giving me the support. It means a lot to me.
Suchita, so we are not couriering this trophy to you. You got to come and collect.
For sure.
Lovely. Good luck.
Okay. Guys,